What is a real estate broker? Well, a broker is one step above an agent and someone who just wants to continue their education in real estate. So let me just tell you a little bit about a broker in today's video and tell you a little bit about what I do, because I started as an agent and I stopped there. I never became a broker. This is Ken Van Liew. I became a real estate developer, and I happened to write a book called The Modern Wealth Building Formula, in case you never heard of it, How to Master Real Estate Investing. Check it out. And if you haven't seen the book, make sure you get my 8 golden nuggets, which you can see at kenvanliew.com. So let's get into a little bit of the facts about being a real estate broker and continuing your education. What is a broker anyway? Let's look at what a broker is. Unlike real estate agents, brokers can work independently and start their own brokerage and hire other real estate agents. An individual or firm that acts as an intermediary, between an investor and a securities exchange, can also refer to the role of the firm when it acts as an agent for a customer and charges the customer a commission for its services. That's right. A real estate broker is essentially going into a bigger business, because as an agent, you're essentially in your own business, but brokerages is where you're essentially scaling your real estate agent's business. Why? Because now you get to put real estate agents underneath you and get an override on the commissions. And you also get other advantages of a broker. And you also get other advantages of being a real estate broker, in addition to being really smart. So if you're ever considering about getting serious in real estate, one option would be to become a real estate broker, which could then lead to real estate investing, which would be the next step in scaling your business. Start as an agent, go as a broker, and then become an investor, or just dive into all three at the same time. What is a broker's responsibility? What is a broker's responsibility? Let's take a look. They perform a variety of tasks, which may include identifying leads, kicking off a property deal, drafting contracts, or managing secretarial work. That's right. You heard it. You see it. Multiple hats, like anything else. But it all comes down to what we talked about before. Eliminate, delegate, automate, leverage, build your systems, build your business, scale your business. That's why we're talking here. Real estate investing, you can learn through being a broker or a real estate agent. It gives you the advantages of being your own business. You get tax advantages, similar advantages of being a real estate investor. And in case you're not ready to start real estate investing because you don't want to take the risk, being a real estate agent and then a broker is a way to get the confidence you need to take that next step up. What do you get from being a broker? Brokers help buyers purchase property for the best possible price. Once the broker successfully finds a buyer, the real estate broker receives a commission for his or her service. Now, I talked about commission, guys, but you're now getting a commission and override on every single agent in your business. That's right. Brokers make money by charging commissions on each trade and collecting fees from investors. That's right. Brokers, if they're involved in any type of securities exchange, they have the benefit of being able to get involved in that. They can also charge commissions in that instance also. So there's another benefit of being a broker on the securitized side. And that's what being a broker is all about. Hey guys, thanks always for coming to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, click below. We got some nice content here every day, just giving you value. If you want to talk to me, go to kenvanliew.com. Check out one of those 45-minute free planning sessions. And if you haven't heard about the Cosa Nostra of real estate, check out the Global Real Estate Investment Enterprise. This is Ken Van Liew saying goodbye and make it a great day.